It works essentially a little bit like the SSRIs, but the SSRIs tend to block it at a different site if you want to get into the molecules, where this is competitive, which means that in the case of MDMA, it'll just take that yellow serotonin, whoop, and knock it out. You see that? Here it comes, whoop, and then it basically means serotonin doesn't get transported. But this does get transported. Your Prozac doesn't get into your presynaptic, it just sits on the wagon. It goes around and around. MDMA and amphetamine, you probably know this, get transported into the neuron. And guess what they do there? Well, there's a VMAT, vesicular monoamine transporter, that red kind of semicircle there, and it goes into there, and it too competitively blocks transport of serotonin into serotonin vesicles, and if it builds up, it'll start shooting them out. Bang, get out of there, boom. And then if it's high enough, it'll start pouring out. In fact, it will reverse the uptake pump to an outtake pump. Boom, boom, boom. And it'll open up channels. Boom. And now I'm at a rave party.